Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township and today I will show you step by step how to create this progress bar section in WordPress using Elementor. So here if you will notice we have a image on the left side and on the right side. Whenever the page reload or whenever you will come to this section, we are getting a progress bar over here. So today in this video we are going to learn how we can create this progress bar. So before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress template on different theme developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So now let's start creating this. So before for this again I need to go to the dashboard. So here in this dashboard you can see I am in the pages section. Now let me open my home page in the Elementor and then I am going to create this progress bar. So first of all let's start creating this progress bar section. So for what I will do here again, now I am in the Elementor. So I will click on this plus icon and I am going to take a single section with 2 column, and for the ease what I will do, I will make this height of it to fit to screen. All right, and here you can see that on the left side we have an image. So let me take any of the image on the left side. All right, so now we are going to create this progress bar. So to create this progress bar, again we have to go to this widget section of the Elementor, and here we have to search for progress bar, and you will get a two option of by element kits and normal progress bar. You can use any of it, like here you can see you can either use the normal progress bar, or let me show you another progress bar which is by element kit. So here what we are going to use, we are going to use the progress bar by element kit. So let me delete this one, and here in this progress bar of element kit, first of all here you can see it is asking us for the title, so which we can give it. So here in the title I just want to give it this project introduction, and then whatever percentage you want to give, you can give it over here, and then you can set the animation duration also. Suppose if you want to set give more animation speed, you can set it over here. If you want like the progress bar should go very slow, you can increase it. Here you can see I have increased the animation duration, and as you can observe here how slowly it is going. So you can control it over here. So let me make it to 3000. All right, now let's go to the style tab and we can customize over here. So first of all if you want to set a height of it, you can set it. I want to give it a 6 pixel of height to this progress bar, and then here if you want to give it a border radius, you can give it a border radius also to this bar. And then if you want to, like suppose let me give it a 50 pixel of border radius, or whatever you want to give, you can give it over here, but I am not going to use. And then now let's go to the track option. Here in this track option you must find a background type. So here whatever color you will give, it will show that color in this progress bar. And then if you will notice over here, we have to select another color. That one I will come in the later part. Now let's go to this border radius for this track, and I want to give it a 4 pixel of border radius to this track. And then we have a title over here, and you can set a whatever title color, and then you can change the typography of the title. And then we have a percentage option. So if you don't want to see this percentage, if you can see we don't have any percentage. So what I will do, I will make the color of the percentage to transparent, and it will not visible. And one more thing, here in background type, if you will give it a red color, so you can see the color which is not filled. Suppose let me reduce the percentage to 25%, and okay, so here you can see now it is showing like this. So the red one is so here you can give it any like grayish color or little gray like this, and it will be fine. And whatever percentage you want to give, like 55 or 50%, you can give it. And as now let's go to the advanced tab of it, and I just want to give it a top margin of 30 pixel, and that would be probably fine for me. And now what if you want, like here you can see we have the easiest method which I have already explained in my other videos also. Right click on it and duplicate it. Number of progress bar you required, you can add it, and the only thing which you have to change is title and percentage. No, you don't need to change any other, like again you have to change the color and all, because you have set it like you have designed one progress bar, and after that you can duplicate it number of progress bar required to you. So thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates.